Yeah, welcome, man. Welcome, everybody. Princess, how are you? Yeah, nice to see you here. Hey, princess. Let's quickly talk about what we are using here. Today is Monday. We're going to work. You know. So this is why you see me. I use this dumbbell, right, to train my waist and train my backbone. Yeah, and I train my legs too, so that if I'm going and walking on the street, I can have a very, good looking movement. And the dumbbell is pinned as a product. Thank you for the love. The dumbbell is pinned as a product. Thank you for the love once again. Yeah. The dumbbell is pinned as a product to this life. So if you really want this dumbbell and you can follow me and do what I do exactly, it means that you need to check this dumbbell out. Product is being listed as product, on this video. This is how you stay strong, my friend. Thank you for the love, my friend. Yeah. Thank you for the love, my friend. That is exactly the way you stay strong, and you stay very strong. Kami-sama, thank you so much. Yeah, exactly. If you want to be strong, if you know why Kami-sama is giving us love right now, you can see how the love is flowing on the screen. Yeah. It's because maybe Kami-sama have, tried all this strategy that I'm talking about, and it feels very good. You can see the energy behind the love is showing. You can feel the energy behind the love this guy, Kami-sama, is showing us here. That's why I do tell many people, whatever I'm sitting down here preaching, you see me, it is what I already practice. All I just tell you is the result you are going to get. When you do this, this is the result. I will tell you. If you're going to feel pain, I will tell you that if you try this, this is the kind of pain you're going to feel. I will tell you. I don't even know how to come and lie to you and say, okay, try this, you will get that muscle within 2 days. I will not tell you within 2 days, but I will tell you gradual process without stopping, continuation. This is Monday, my friend, and this is the dumbbell we are using today. Every Monday, this is how we use this dumbbell. Please give Kami-sama a big round of applause. Give Kami-sama a big round of applause. You guys, I want you to look at Kami-sama, how he's showing this love. You guys need to go follow this guy. Just show him love by follow his page. You understand? That is a guy who, he posts some kind of things like, I've seen animations and all these things. You guys out there, you love animations, right? You love everything about Japanese animation, right? Yeah, go and see the page, Kami-sama. Go and look his page. You will love what you see there. And the way I announce his page now shows him that I follow him back to back. I look everything he's doing there. Yes, that is the way I follow my own fans, back to back. And they don't know I'm following them. And I give this announcement to one of our sister. Hey, sister, I'm not going to mention your name now, but you know yourself. This is the way it is in Japan, If you want to be successful, survive in Japan, you need to be strong. Like I told you, you are coming to Japan next year, right? Like I told you, Japan is for very strong people.